I want to meet the person who has never ever pooped in public. And I mean not just poop, but like, oh my God, what just died in there? Hey guys, and welcome to my latest video. Today we are going to talk about something super important: pooping in public. When you poop at home, I feel it's like bloop bloop and like no, nothing. But then all of a sudden you have to poop in public, and then it's just like anger poop and angry, and then it smells like really bad. Why? You know? No? Just me? This is poopery. If you guys have not discovered poopery, like, have you really been pooping in public and just letting everyone smell that? I'm pooping in public. I am flushing from the moment I sit down until the moment I get up. Like constant, just constant flushing. But with these damn new toilets that are all censored, it's throwing my game off, you guys. If you guys don't know what poopery is, it is a spray for when you go poopsies. Here's the catch. It's expensive. It's not like terribly expensive, not like, oh my God, I have to take a second mortgage just so I can get my poop spray on. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own cheap version at home, and it works just as well. This is what you need: distilled water, an empty spray bottle, glycerin, rubbing alcohol, your favorite essential oils. Let's get started. Alright, so 4 ounces of distilled water, and then you have 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. 1, 2. Alright, so then you're going to put 1 teaspoon of the glycerol. Then you're going to put the fun stuff, which is your essential oils. So I'm going to put sweet orange, because that's my jam, you guys. I love sweet orange. And I'm going to put like 15 drops. 14, 15. Alright. You have to smoosh it around. Alright, so after you swoosh it around, you're going to put it in your container. So, you want to really shake it, and then you spray your toilet water 2 to 3 times before pooping. There you go, guys. There you have it. Your very own poopery smell. If you feel like it didn't have enough, just put more droplets in there until you have the smell that you want. But it really works, you guys. And if you want to go for the more expensive one, go for the real stuff. But if you're like me and you're a cheap ass, you can make your own. So I hope you guys like this video. I will link all the stuff down below. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. And that's a wrap. I'll be in my trailer.